In the first video, we saw protecting your innovation is very important because it is your idea. You spend time, money, and creative effort. You need to recover the costs and get incentivized. If you get incentivized, then you are motivated to come up with more creative ideas. Let us see in this video how to protect your innovations. Innovations range in the form of products or process, in the form of books, movies, songs, or in the form of designs. It may be also in the form of new variety of plants. Let us see how each one of these could be protected. To start with, if you have a new product or a process, then it could be protected by something called as patents. Let us see what exactly is a patent. It is an exclusive right to exclude others from making, selling, using, offering for sale, or importing your invention. Let us see how we can protect literary works such as magazines, books, music, movies, or even computer software or photographs. These are protected by copyright. Without author's permission, no one has rights to copy or publish the copyright work. Any innovation involving ornamental aesthetic shape patterns can be protected by something called as industrial design registration. We come across many brand names and logos which actually lets us connect to the offerings. We actually know from where it is coming from. So these can be protected by something called as trademark. There are times when we need to deal with information that gives an edge over competitors, like customer lists, advertising campaigns, recipes, or any other confidential information. These are protected by something called as trade secret. If at all a farmer comes up with a new plant variety by breeding it over generations, even that as well is protected by a particular IP regime. It is known as Plant Variety and Farmers' Rights Act. Any products gaining reputation because of uniqueness attributed to its geographical origin, like Darjeeling tea, Nagaland mirchi, or Solapuri chadar, is protected by an IP regime called as geographical indication. They hold unique characteristics because of the place from where they come from. Now let us revise. New products and processes are protected by patents. Literary works like books are protected by copyright. Brand, symbols, logos by trademark. Comparative information giving an edge by trade secret. Ornamental patterns by industrial design. New plant and plant variety by Plant Variety Act. And reputed unique product from geographical origin as GI. In the next video, let us get into details of each one of these. Thank you.